Stegmeier deck joints are an extruded PVC control joint that is used to plan the cracks in the pool decks. They are placed in the concrete while the concrete is fresh and provide a weakened plane. Polyvoid is a full expansion material used to separate the deck from fixed and movable structures, such as walls, existing porches, and pool copings. Polyvoid has a tearaway that is a preparation for our Boss joint sealant. When attaching polyvoid to the wall, first pop a chalk line to grade, then use spray adhesive. Now line the top of the polyvoid up to the chalk line. Peel the paper off the two-sided tape on the nose cap and attach it, rolling it to the top of the form. It is important to mark the back of the form so the nose cap can be found during the pour. Now hold the joint flush to the outside formwork and cut the joint to length. The control joints are plugged into the nose cap at the cantilever edge and pressed into the concrete right behind the screed board. Use the screed to tap the joint down. This is a good time to make sure that the joint is straight. When using the bull float, be sure to straddle the joints to make sure they are down flush. Stegmeier's dual walking edger edges the joint on both sides, while at the same time cleaning the concrete off the top in preparation for Frontier Desert Deck. Remove the tearaway from the top edge of the polyvoid in order to use the Boss joint sealant. Boss joint sealant is a self-leveling, silicone, one-component joint sealant that cures to a firm, flexible silicone rubber that is UV resistant and adheres to concrete, brick, masonry, wood, glass, vinyl, and most plastics. Boss joint sealant is available in white, tan, and gray. The 29-ounce tubes require no mixing and are applied using a caulking gun. Any unused material can be saved by capping the end of the tube for use on the next application.